today I'm going to show you guys how you can utilize light and shadows inside of After Effects while working with 3D models. It can really change the whole mood of a 3D scene and make it a lot more cinematic and better looking than it already is. So let's start by creating a composition, and now we're going to search for 3D models. So simply search the website. It's called Sketchfab, link will be in the description, and what you're going to have to do is simply search for a 3D model in the search bar. Now simply select it, scroll down a bit and click on download, and make sure to get the GLB version. So simply click there and click on download like that. Now that you have all of your models, what you're gonna have to do is simply go ahead and import them inside of your After Effects project. So I'm simply gonna import the models that I downloaded. So I downloaded a skull and a sword. So I'm simply gonna scale them down, alright? And I'm gonna scale the sword down also. Okay, so now I'm simply gonna position everything correctly. So I'll play around with the scaling and the rotation. Now I'm simply gonna do a duplicate of the sword, and I'm gonna rotate it the other way. And now what I'm going to do is simply making a simple animation of the skull. So I'll simply animate the x-axis like so. At the first keyframe I'll put it down. And I'll also make an animation for the swords. And I'll make a rotation animation also. Okay, and I'll do the same for the other sword. Now what I'm going to do now is simply make it better with lighting. So I'm simply going to do that and click on new, then click on lights. And I'm going to make sure to click on spot. Now as you can see, the spotlight is directly in front of our object, so I'm going to simply pull out the 2 view and make sure it's in the custom view 1 so I can have a better control. Now I can simply position my spotlight however I want it to be, and I'll just position it like so. And if I click on the light settings and go to light option, I can just put my light stronger, and as you can see, it makes a much more dramatic effect on the whole 3D scene, and I think it just looked better. If you guys want to know more about how to do some animations inside of After Effects and how to animate characters inside of it, don't hesitate to watch this video right there. I'll see you guys there.